Hey guys, I'm Ivan with Vicrez, and today we're going to be looking at the top 5 mods for under $1,000 for your Dodge Durango. This is our new series where we look at mods for under $1,000 for a specific car. So if you have any car suggestions that you guys like to see, let us know down in the comments below. We're going to try to get to those. This episode about the Dodge Durango was highly requested, and everything listed in the video will be linked down below. So let's get into it. Number 1, we have the VZ style front splitters only coming in at $289. Not only does it look stylish for your Durango, but it also creates downforce, creating for a better driving experience. It is designed to increase the front downforce by allowing air to be pushed down, therefore pushing the front of the car downwards, reducing the lift so you can maximize cornering speed. You can customize the front splitter package with different surface finishes like gloss black, satin black, urban camo, dry gloss carbon fiber, and a lot more. The rod's finish color and color edge trim can also be customized with different colors. The one we have here is a gloss carbon fiber with a red rod finish and a red color edge trim. But you also have the option to mix and match rod finish colors and the edge trim colors to whichever you'd like. But wait, there's more. We also have 5 different front winglet styles to choose from: Sharky, Standard, Stingray, Dragon, and Volcano. This is optional, so if you don't want the front winglets, you don't have to get it with your front splitter. Let's go into number 2. The VZ style side skirt splitter is only coming in at $289, will go well with your front splitter and your rear diffuser. It is designed to decrease side end lift so you can turn and go faster. The side splitter also comes with different finishes and edge color trim. Just like the splitter and the diffuser, the option to mix and match surface finishes and colors is entirely up to you. This is an honorable mention. You can complete the look with our number 1 item, the front splitter, and the Centa VR2 rear diffuser, which is also under $1,000 at $300 for the ultimate aerodynamic efficiency and complete VZ style look on your Durango. At number 3, we have the front and rear mud flaps, which come in 2 sets, one for your driver and one for your passenger side, only coming in at $95. These mud flaps, aka splash guards, are a great way to protect your Durango's paint by deflecting rock chips and road debris. Not only will it protect your vehicle, but it will also add a more stylish and subtle look to your Durango. It comes with the usual 9 available surface finishes to choose from. This installation is fairly simple. It comes supplied with a 3M bonding tape, but you can also drill a couple holes as well to make sure it's extra secure. Want to feel like a Formula 1 driver? Coming in at number 4, we have our ultra lightweight, durable gloss carbon fiber paddle shifters, only coming in at $289. With this installed on your Durango, you don't have to take your hands off the steering wheel to change gears, as well as messing around with that clutch pedal. These paddle shifters are made with twill weave carbon fiber. It's ultra gloss clear coated finish and UV protected. You can see the plus and minus outlined in red to each of the paddles, either upshifting or downshifting. Bring out your inner racer by getting these gloss carbon fiber paddle shifters. For our last item on this list, we have our custom OEM carbon fiber steering wheel. The default steering wheel comes in at $879. I would say this item is the most customizable option on this list. You can choose the color of the 12 o'clock ring, steering wheel materials, so like matted, forged, and honeycomb carbon fiber. If you choose the regular carbon fiber, you can also choose its color. Stitching colors, hand grip materials, and hand grip inlays are also customizable. Depending on what you customize on the steering wheel, the price may differ. For example, we have this steering wheel right here that has a black 12 o'clock ring, white perforated leather, and some nice forged carbon. It's really looking really nice. You can really go crazy and choose the color, style, and just get that best feel that's for you. So that's gonna go ahead and be all for the video. Today we looked at our top 5 Dodge Durango mods for under $1,000. And if you guys like to see any videos like this or have any specific cars that you guys like to see, drop them down in the comments below and we're gonna try to get to that. Thank you guys for watching.